Hello, what is your good name?
My name is Bahadur Tamang.
Okay, Mr. Pancha, tell me something about yourself, please.
Okay, Namaste. My name is Bahadur Tamang. I am 29 years old. I am married.
Okay, tell me about your work experience.
My work experience in before 7 years work in Qatar, Doha, Qatar. Then 2 years work in Nepal.
What is your position there?
Excavator operator.
Okay, so do you have a license?
I have license and other certificate have.
Okay, oh, so certificate also. Okay.
Yes.
So, why did you choose to go Croatia?
I choose the money, then
Okay, it's for money.
for money, then
Okay, good. So, do you have any medical problem?
no, all good.
All good.
Yeah.
So, would you be willing to work 8 hours per day and 6 days per week? Are you able to work?
Before Doha, Qatar, 1 week, 6 day work, 1 day off.
Okay. So, you can work 8 hours per day? You can work?
Yeah, 8 hours after overtime.
Also, overtime also
Yes.
you can do. Okay. Okay, we'll send this video, Mr. Pancha, and if you